Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So, nandito ako ngayon sa isang Turkish restaurant para matunghayan yung aking pinakain na special chicken with bread, kubus or bread and vegetables siguro. Right? Ano na to, mga around 10 or 10 in the evening. This is my second meal. Considered as lunch or dinner. Paunang servings nila, garlic. So, ang pangalan pala ng restaurant ito is Marmaray Istanbul Restaurant. Right? Ito na nga, na-serve na in less than 10 minutes. May sili, cabbage, onion, and this bread. Okay. May fries. First bite ng tinapay. Ayos naman. So, hindi tayo kumakain ng fries. Separate natin. Put natin ito sa garlic. First bite ng chicken. Good. Cabbage. Paka ako ng hot sauce. Sige lang.
Ito po yung
onion with cabbage. Parsley. Kailangan man ng hang. Manghang pa to eh. Chili. Sapihan natin to. Kasi kanina yung 1/4. Yung 1/3 nakuha ko na. 1/3 na naman. Right? Walang katapusang tinapay dito sa Turkey. At Arab countries. Guys, umusok pa. Maganda yung mga grilled kasi hindi ni piniprito yung mga fried. So, there's also for diet plan if you're a fitness journey. Last bite.